You have the skills, you have the experience, but when it comes time to update your resume, staring at a blank screen can feel paralyzing. Most people don't struggle because they lack qualifications. They struggle because translating years of work into a concise, one-page document is genuinely difficult. This is where generative AI becomes a highly effective tool. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use AI as a personal resume coach to organize, refine, and tailor your messy work history into a professional format. There is one golden rule to this process. AI is here to explain your real experience better. You must never let it invent fake jobs, dates, skills, or certifications. Mastering this collaboration takes the anxiety out of the blank page and lets you focus on presenting the most accurate, competitive version of your professional self. Step 1 is gathering your raw materials. Open a text document and dump in your work history, skills, and education. Don't worry about formatting. However, before proceeding, strip out all personally identifiable information. Remove your name, phone number, email, and address to protect your privacy. Next, paste this private, anonymized text into an AI chatbot. Give it clear instructions. Type, "Act as a resume coach. I am giving you my work history. Organize this into a professional resume draft. Do not invent anything." The chatbot will process your raw list and return a clean structural draft. It will categorize your text into dedicated sections for a professional summary, your work experience, and your education. To prevent the AI from filling in gaps with fake information, add one more sentence to your prompt. Ask me questions if important details are missing. This forces the system to request clarity instead of guessing. By starting with this structural step, you bypass the hardest part of resume writing. The foundational draft is on the screen, ready for refinement. Now it is time to look at your job descriptions. Starting your bullet points with passive language like "was responsible for" hides your actual impact and hurts your chances of standing out. We can fix this by asking the AI to rewrite these duties into results-focused accomplishments. The left example says, "responsible for sales." The AI replaces passive phrasing with strong action verbs. "Responsible for" becomes "maximized revenue by," giving the statement immediate clarity. Review these new bullets carefully. If the AI suggests a metric, like increase sales by 20%, and you do not have the data to prove that, delete it. Only include numbers and achievements you actually earned. Transforming duties into achievements shifts your resume from a history of what you did into a persuasive argument for how well you did it. An effective resume is a specific response to a specific job description. Employers scan for the exact skills they asked for in the job posting. To optimize your draft, copy the exact job description for the position you want and paste it into the chat alongside your current resume. Looking at this side-by-side comparison, ask the AI to identify the specific skills emphasized in the job posting and point out where those exact keywords are missing from your resume draft. The AI will output a list of missing keywords. Read through them and only weave them into your bullet points if you actually possess those skills and have the experience to back them up in an interview. Tailoring your document through keyword alignment proves your direct relevance to the role, significantly increasing your chances of making it past the initial screening. Nearly all Fortune 500 companies run applications through an applicant tracking system, or ATS, before a human being ever reviews them. These systems act like text databases. If your resume relies on complex formatting, like text boxes, graphics, or multi-columns, the ATS will often distort the text entirely. Instruct your AI coach to format the draft in a simple, universally readable plain text structure using clear headings like professional summary, experience, and education. Now your work with the chatbot is mostly done. Copy this plain text and paste it into a standard word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to finalize your layout. Before you close the chat, you can paste the final text back in and ask the AI for one last proofread, specifically checking for grammar, clarity, and professionalism. Finally, conduct a human audit. Read every word. Verify your dates of employment. Edit out any robotic language, and ensure your contact information is placed clearly at the top. A beautifully designed resume is worthless if software cannot read it. A clean, ATS-friendly document ensures your message reaches a human decision-maker. What you have now is a punchy, keyword-optimized, clearly formatted one-page resume that is ready for submission. Your actual hard work and career experience are the stars of this document. The AI merely acted as a translator to help you package those qualifications effectively. If you want to replicate this workflow, you can find and copy the exact 5 prompts we used in this tutorial down in the video description. Open a text document, gather your history, and start drafting today. You are ready to hit submit with confidence.